Still searching for a high-performance solution for aluminum profile end and stepped surface processing? Look no further. This 5+ 4-axis CNC and milling machine, a core equipment tailored for the system door/window, sunroom and curtain wall processing industry, effortlessly tackles various processing challenges. Engineered for forming and processing a wide range of aluminum profiles, it delivers flawless results with consistent quality, whether for ordinary, reinforced, curved or flush mullions of system doors/windows, or specialized materials for sunrooms and curtain walls. Core advantages that highlight its strength: equipped with a full intelligent CNC system, supporting program storage and batch production. No repeated debugging for recurring orders, significantly reducing setup time. Fitted with CNC servo motors, enabling precise adjustment of tool movement. Cutting speed is flexibly adjustable on demand, perfectly matching different profile processing requirements. Efficient processing is its key highlight. Dual spindle motor configuration supports simultaneous multi-profile processing, featuring simple operation and greatly improved production capacity. Handles complex angle processing with ease. The spindle can rotate freely between 0 to 90 degrees, completing milling and cutting in one clamping without repeated positioning and adjustment, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted processing flow. Custom tooling options are available to accurately match the design of various special profiles. Reliable precision performance adopts high-precision linear bearing guide rails and ball screws, guaranteeing excellent processing accuracy and minimizing errors to maintain consistent high quality for every workpiece. Whether for small batch custom production or large-scale mass processing, it consistently maintains stable and reliable performance, reducing material waste and maximizing production efficiency. This 5+ 4-axis CNC and milling machine combines easy operation with long-term stable performance, making it an ideal investment in the aluminum profile processing field. Integrating cutting-edge technology, intelligent control and exceptional efficiency, it helps elevate your production capacity to new heights.